If you are battling digestive issues such as bloating, gas, or constipation, the solution may reside not in pharmaceuticals, but in the potent, unseen forces of probiotics. Amidst the noise of quick fixes and complex diets vying for your attention, probiotics emerge as a steadfast ally backed by solid science and a rich history of human use. These mighty microorganisms are key in revolutionizing your digestive health, steering your gut flora towards a balance where true wellness flourishes. Probiotics, often known as good or helpful bacteria, play an essential role in maintaining gut health by balancing the gut microbiota, the billions of microorganisms living in our intestines. When our gut microbiota is unbalanced, digestive issues like gas, bloating, and irregular bowel movements can occur. Probiotic-rich foods like yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, and kombucha introduce beneficial bacteria into the digestive tract, which help combat these issues by restoring balance in the gut ecosystem. The effectiveness of probiotics extends beyond mere digestion. They're involved in synthesizing crucial vitamins like vitamin B and K and play a protective role by enhancing mucosal immunity. Incorporating probiotics into one's diet isn't just for those with chronic digestive issues. It's a proactive measure for anyone seeking optimal health. But how can you integrate these beneficial bacteria into your everyday meals effectively? The key lies in diversity and consistency. Begin with incorporating naturally fermented foods like yogurt, kefir, kombucha, miso, and sauerkraut into your daily diet. Each of these foods not only brings its unique flavors and textures, but also distinct types of probiotics. Start your day with a yogurt parfait topped with nuts and berries, or stir some miso into your soup for lunch. Simple incorporations that can lead to significant health benefits. Furthermore, consider the quality and source of these products. Opting for organic and unsweetened versions can maximize the health benefits while avoiding unnecessary sugars and additives. It's not all about food, lifestyle factors play a crucial role too. Stress, lack of sleep, and poor diet can disrupt your gut microbiota. Incorporating moderate exercise and adequate sleep can enhance your gut health, creating an environment where probiotics can thrive. A gut feeling says it's time to start. With probiotic-rich foods and mindful living, here's to a healthier you. Please like and subscribe for more natural and holistic health content and tips.